Welcome to Auto Garage, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive insights. Today, we explore the 2025 McLaren Speedtail, a masterpiece of engineering that pushes the boundaries of speed, aerodynamics, and luxury. McLaren's Hyper GT is not just a car, it's an experience, an unparalleled fusion of performance and exclusivity. Interior. The interior of the 2025 McLaren Speedtail is unlike anything else on the road. Inspired by the legendary McLaren F1, it features a central driving position, flanked by two passenger seats for a unique three-seat configuration. The cabin is crafted with the finest materials, including lightweight carbon fiber, Alcantara, and bespoke leather finishes. The seamless design eliminates unnecessary buttons, replacing them with touchscreen controls for an ultra-modern aesthetic. McLaren's dedication to innovation is evident in the electrochromic glass roof, which dims at the touch of a button, eliminating the need for sun visors. Advanced driver assistance features, a high-definition digital instrument cluster, and an ultra-responsive infotainment system ensure that the Speedtail is not just a high-performance machine but also a luxurious and comfortable grand tourer. Exterior. The 2025 Speedtail is a visual masterpiece, designed to slice through the air with minimal resistance. Its elongated, teardrop shape is the most aerodynamic design ever produced by McLaren. The seamless carbon fiber body, flush door handles, and hidden cameras replacing traditional side mirrors enhance its sleek appearance while improving airflow. The absence of a rear spoiler is compensated by active aerodynamic elements, including flexible ailerons that adjust to optimize downforce and stability. The Speedtail's signature dihedral doors add to its futuristic presence, opening upward to reveal the cockpit in a dramatic fashion. Exclusive paint finishes and customization options from McLaren's MSO division allow owners to personalize their Speedtail, making each one a unique work of art. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 McLaren Speedtail is powered by a hybrid powertrain that delivers breathtaking performance. A twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, combined with an electric motor, produces an astonishing 1,036 horsepower. This enables the Speedtail to accelerate from 0 to 186 miles per hour 300 km/h in just 12.8 seconds, making it the fastest road-going McLaren ever built. With a top speed of 250 miles per hour 403 km/h, the Speedtail redefines hypercar performance while maintaining a level of efficiency through its hybrid system. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis and active suspension provide razor-sharp handling, ensuring that every drive is an exhilarating experience. Conclusion. The 2025 McLaren Speedtail is more than just a hypercar, it's a statement of cutting-edge technology, luxury, and sheer performance. Designed for those who seek exclusivity and ultimate speed, it stands as a testament to McLaren's relentless pursuit of automotive perfection. Stay tuned to Auto Garage for more updates on the latest supercars and hypercars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content.